more piece.
One more piece. And we're done.
Coming right up.
Baseboard and quarter iron, and we should be good to go.
Oh yeah, it looks so good. That's it.
That's it.
Floors are done.
Stairs next. So for those of you wondering why we went this way in the room instead of that way, we much rather have went this way because it would have been easier, less cuts, but we're gonna do the stairs too, so
Yeah,
we want it to be the same pattern.
Yeah, just wanted it to look uniform, you know, so I ain't going down the staircase.
Room's popping now. Look at that.
Where are we right now? Like if you would have stuck someone in this room a week ago and then you finished it and brought them back here, they'd be like, where are we, dude?
Hell yeah, that's awesome. What's going on, guys? Over at the new shop, like always, and as you guys just saw, we got the floors all done in this upstairs room that we've been working on, and they look absolutely amazing. Completely changes this whole room. Super happy with how they came out. Right now, Pedro's actually downstairs working on the bathroom already. He's just going right to work, dude, but we still have some more things that we need to get done up here. We need to get the windowsills made. That'll clean that up a lot. We also are gonna try to look for something to put right up here along the ceiling to kind of fill in this gap right here. We need to hook up all the electrical still because none of the outlets work yet. Our buddy also brought us some lights that we are probably going to install at some point later on. These will sit up nice and flush on the ceiling instead of having these things. We need to get rid of those. But this room has come a long ways in the last couple weeks for sure. And it's finally coming together.
It's almost time for furniture.
Just about. Once Pedro gets some baseboard ran too, we can probably start looking at some furniture, get a couch, and just get it set up in here. I plan on putting a little desk back there with my computer so I can edit videos up here and stuff. But obviously we're still a ways out before we get all that. But yeah, let's go downstairs and check on Pedro real quick, see where he's at. We still need to do the stairs at some point as well too. We're gonna match the hardwood floor that we have upstairs with that. Yeah, look at him, dude. He's going at it. Dang, got the whole bathroom apart already.
Holy crap. Bro, I just took a piss and came back.
So yeah, we had to get all the old drywall out of here. We're gonna re-drywall everything in the bathroom, but at least it's all framed out already, so that shouldn't take too long. Just have to cut the new sheetrock and get it put up. Then we'll have to redo the flooring in here, find out how we want to do the shower and sink, and then we also need to get an electric water heater installed. Pedro wants to make a stand for it somewhere over there.
Yeah, that way it won't be on the floor, and if you can put a pan underneath it, that way if there's any leaks, you know what I'm saying?
But yeah, but before we can get the water heater and shower and everything installed, obviously we need to get everything else done. But he's going hard right now. Got pretty much all the old drywall ripped out right here.
Yeah.
So
Get all these nails that stay on the wall, so this is what's gonna take a little longer.
And while Pedro's tearing up the bathroom, we're gonna fix Vicky real quick. Brent brought us another B-Series crank pulley that we're gonna throw back on there and get her back up and going. Maybe she'll do a burnout for us for once on camera without breaking.
We just have to hide the
cameras. Yeah, it's stage fright.
Yeah, anytime we put a camera on Vicky, she just acts up.
We'll just have to hide it. Be inconspicuous.
Come on, Vicky. Don't worry, Vicky, I'm not even recording. Woo! Damn, both wheels spinning.
We need some water.
Yeah, overheating.
Vicky doesn't make as much power as she used to.
Especially not up here in the altitude.
Dukes up.
2 or 3 cylinders.
I could just hook it up to the golf cart and I'll go the other way.
Dad will just drag the golf cart. That'd be funny though. I'm down to watch that. Oh my god. She roasted them now.
Look at this smoke that way. Look over there.
Over here.
I don't think she liked that very much. It shut off. That was sick, honestly. Look at all the rubber. Holy crap.
That tire's done, bro. It's roasted. Look at it.
Got slicks on.
Not bad, Vicky. For running on like 3 cylinders.
Maybe less now.
Yeah, I don't know if it's running on any cylinders now.
I think we should just leave her there for a little bit.
Let it cool off.
Yeah, let her cool off.
Alright. Fair enough.
She's been through a lot already.
I have a little more faith in the golf cart, bro.
It was holding it down.
It's that FMF pipe on it.
I know, I even let the e-brake down because I was going to see if it would start to drag the golf cart. It didn't go anywhere. That golf cart's solid.
Gas to see if you'll pull me a little bit.
It didn't pull it at all. Brent's just over here tuning away.
Get away, man.
How many cars do you have to do today? 4?
5. I don't know. There's a couple.
It's that Christmas music, bro. It's everywhere.
Yeah, it's that time of year. Gonna see if we can find ourselves a couch we like. Just doing some browsing.
Remix. You hear this?
Oh yeah, I do. I like that.
Go find some furniture for the Boostedboiz lounge.
Yeah, right.
Just 2 of these in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to pay $2,000 for one of these?
I mean, that's what the ticket says now.
I'm just kidding, guys. Adults only. Fuck.
After a hard day's worth of work.
Is it massaging?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, my whole
Bro, you
back.
have no idea, dude. Hey, go look around, man. We'll be right here.
This thing is crazy. Holy shit, I ain't never had no massage like this.
He's like, it grabbed my legs.
Bro, it's like massaging my butt right now.
This is weird, man. I'm gonna tell you, like Ricky, that guy told Ricky, that thing touched my. I ain't never got no massage like that from no girl.
I've been trying to get my wife to do this for years.
He even massaged my butt. In my hands, I can't move.
Tato's about to take a nap. So we need 2 of these is what you're saying.
Well, we might need 4 of these.
Something like this maybe, but just like a little bigger.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
So we do have one there and one there. I didn't know if those are insured, but
Yeah, probably something about the size of like that
about
black
that
one.
size.
Don't
Okay.
you think? As long as it's not too big. We probably do need to go back and measure to be sure, but
Do you care about a chase or a cuddler, or do you just want your basic L?
probably just the basic L.
Comes out.
Oh, see, that's like
That is sick.
that's what.
So that's $700 for this,
That's not even that bad.
right? No. This one actually moves, so you can pop this over here and then flip it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and just set it up how you want.
Honestly, that would be nice
Yeah.
if we set it up on this side.
Yeah, all you have to do is flip the cushion and put it on that side. It's not a big deal. This side, yeah, you can get it left or right. You can either or. They do a reverse configuration.
I think like that's good.
That's a nice one.
Holy crap! What's this?
That is
This is the
basically,
lounge.
yeah, exactly.
This looks way too comfortable.
Right.
We won't be able to get out of
I
this.
call it the college couch.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
College couch,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
Dude, they got a lot of couches up here.
Yeah, this one's nice.
And then, yeah, this is a real comfortable one, nice and thick.
What's up, gay boy?
What you want? Hashtag demonetized. What's up, guys?
Yeah, let's just cut that out of there.
No, don't.
We're restarting the video now.
Hello.
Hello, sketchy dad.
We're having a YouTube convention. I have a channel. What are you guys doing?
We're just doing some home renovations.
Wow. No, I've seen it, dude. It looks good.
Hey, you wanna go check it out? You wanna have a sleepover?
Yeah, dude, I'll bring my pillows. Dude, I would put like a massive ass bed back there. I would never leave.
That's what we were saying.
Yeah.
Like if there's a bed back there, we're not leaving.
Or dude, get 2 futons, right?
We're thinking some bunk beds.
Oh yeah. Get king size bunk beds.
Oh my gosh.
That would be dope.
Then I would never leave. Yeah.
The dimensions are over here.
Get 129. I guess it wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, 129. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
So then, yeah, we could just get that one.
Let's just go get it right now.
Yeah, we were just there.
Strap it on.
We
top
were
of the
just there.
minivan, bro.
What's up, dude?
Let's go. I'm serious.
The best what?
Best back job you've ever seen.
The best back job? You with those different jokes.
Me, that's hating with those different jokes. Okay, this ain't the best. This ain't my best one. You're good. I'm mostly in the lines. Wyatt's over here judging me.
His diesel.
Back a trailer before I could walk.
His diesel friend over here.
Why'd you even come hang out with us?
He just comes out of nowhere. Just disappears for like
Just
2
with
months. at a
stains
time.
all over.
Typical sketchy
He
dad.
wears that sweater like if he just got dirty, but it just lives with stains on it.
I just drop it in pools of oil and make it look like I did something.
Finally putting this trailer to good use.
Yep. Picking up some couches.
Oh! Is there warranty on this thing? I got it on video.
I was perfectly fine. Y'all
Still get hit with
I had that whole couch on my back.
They're all just watching him.
Y'all made it all extra. I
Oh! Jeez!
American Furniture roast stocks
Ain't getting
drop
out
after
now.
Boostedboiz upload.
Just leave him in there, bro. Let's shut the door.
You guys are delivering it too, right?
Hey, y'all didn't see me. I caught that shit with my bed. Yeah, we'll come with y'all.
Alright, stay in there. We'll
Yeah, we'll just. Nice ass couch you can sit on.
Yeah, we got that brand new couch you can sit on straight up.
Good job.
With that dad bod to use.
Emilio has to get out of here for a pool tournament.
Well, it's a pool league, yeah. Gotta
And
beat up on
if anyone didn't know, Emilio's in a pool league
Beer league.
every Thursday night.
every other Thursday.
Every other Thursday night.
Hey, let me go with
But-
you.
Alright, guys. Well, damn.
Let me go
This is
with
the fun part right here. Putting
I know,
the
you-
couches in.
You won't even get to see it all put together yet, but when you come back tomorrow,
It should be all cleaned up with the couches and
Yep.
the rug,
I'll make sure it's nice for you tomorrow.
the Xbox.
Yep, I'll make sure everything's set up.
You ain't even got a chance to take the first fart on it, man.
Yeah, I actually got a fart right now.
Get out of here.
Alright, man. Have fun.
Yep. You gonna help me bring that other half in, Wyatt? Come on, man.
Let's go get me food first.
Alright, that's a deal. We can take that as 14.
I'm down.
Dang. Looks pretty good.
Damn, Felicia.
The room's coming together. Thanks for helping me put it together. You can take a nap on it if you want.
Nice.
Is it
bro.
comfy?
It's not bad. Not bad. I haven't really settled in here yet.
Oh, yeah. Dude, this is tight.
This is dope. Oh, did you just see big booty on the TV? What? Bro. Hashtag demonetized. You guys been going crazy.
What, dude? No way. No way. Whoa, this is freaking amazing. What, dude? What the hell did you do that?
We took
been
the
here
truck
all
and
day.
trailer. You didn't even notice.
Dude, I didn't even see you come in. Nothing.
We just went to the
gorgeous,
American
too.
Furniture Warehouse. It's nice, huh?
This is like,
It's nice.
I'm surprised you didn't leave the plastic on.
Right.
You like it?
A lot. A lot.
How much did that forward-facing Integra make?
It's back on the dyno right
Oh,
now.
is it?
Waiting for the
Fixing
cap.
some issues on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I left
I
before.
fixed the fuel
any of
pump
that.
and then it lost the rotor screw.
Oh, on the
That's why
Dizzy?
On that road?
Well, that's what I think's wrong with Vicky. That's why I think she's in and out.
Yeah.
I just
remember
haven't
mine
got to
coming
work
apart,
on it.
and it was like on the dyno. You even killed it, and it's sitting there. Pow!
Remember the first video on the channel? The very first video on Boostedboiz, Wyatt edited it. And it was me fixing the rotor cap on Wago. Because
Very first.
the rotor cap fell off on Wago.
Well, that's what it
And
is.
Wyatt put some like music over it. I'm like, what is he doing?
I was.
If you guys go back and look at the first video, Wyatt edited it.
Yep.
Way back in the day.
Dude, it's coming along out here.
This is great. This is amazing.
Not even this, like just the whole shop. Got
All of
Wi-Fi
it.
already?
Wi-Fi, dyno,
Dude, what?
I know. We just
casting couches.
Dude, Rick's awesome. Dude. They had the fake palm trees right next to him, black leather.
Oh my
like,
God.
I know when we were getting this one picked up, I asked her, I was like, you guys got any casting couches? And the lady was like all into it.
Dude,
She's like,
she
yeah,
was
we got
telling
a
us
couple
about
back
this.
there.
She had this one on display, huge old couch, I guess she was talking about. And like everybody was making fun of it.
Dude, it looks so good.
Can you imagine when it's all trimmed out? This room's gonna pop, big time.
Yeah, I'm already so happy with it.
I know. It could stay like this, and we'd be like, cool.
Right?
This is like all we need. This is nicer than anything I've had.
This is nicer than my house.
Alright guys, everyone is getting out of here right now. We made a whole bunch of more progress today on the shop. The couch looks amazing, super happy with that. We got the floors all done, and as you guys saw earlier, there's still a lot more to get done. We just started on the bathroom a little bit today as well, but we keep getting closer and closer every day, knocking things out. Brent is back up and tuning cars. He tuned like 4 cars today, so that's awesome. He got the dyno going, which, you know, that's what Brent does all the time, is tune cars, so that was a main source of income for him. So super glad the dyno's back up and going, and that's going great. So we're just moving along, guys. I'm gonna get out of here for tonight. Hung out with Wyatt and Hayden as well, and Jamie. We're actually all up here for like a couple hours hanging out watching YouTube, but everyone just got out of here. I'm gonna head out too. We'll get back to you guys tomorrow, and as always, thanks for watching.